What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to be checking out Manjaro. So this is a Linux distro that I have not tried. To be honest, I've not tried very many other than Ubuntu. I think I booted into Arch Linux once on a virtual machine and never booted it into it again. I don't really know why. I don't think there was a reason. I just didn't feel like it. So today I'm going to be checking out Manjaro and kind of comparing it to Ubuntu, mainly because I decided to try out the Manjaro Gnome version. So let's log in here. The login is fairly similar. This is, in my opinion, the actual login screen is better than Ubuntu, at least the background part of it is. So I'm just going to log in real quick. And we are in. So I really like Manjaro. It's really nice in my opinion. The design is really good. It does a much better job than Ubuntu 18.04. I do think that the design in Ubuntu 19.04 is better, mainly because it sort of rolls with GNOME's strengths and doesn't try to make something transparent. And I can show you that with, let's just do files. Let's just open up files real quick. This is not transparent anymore. Some applications I've tried have made it so the top thing is not transparent, but files, I don't know, files is just making it so it stays transparent with that screenshot right there. I like how they have a better screenshot icon. The terminal icon is definitely better in Ubuntu 19.04. If Ubuntu 19.04 kept the same design and everything, I would most likely switch to Manjaro, even though it is a rolling release and is technically less stable. I like how it has Microsoft Office in it. Does this like actually work? Wow. Oh, it's Microsoft Office Online. Alright, I was wondering what it was, but I do like how it sort of shows up as an application even right here. I don't know if that's like because it's some sort of package that has a browser in it. Maybe Microsoft has an online download thing that connects to the, I don't know. I really don't know. But I like how they do have Microsoft Office for people who need that. It's pretty cool. They have Skype. That's cool too. Is this actually a Skype application? Does that connect to the browser? Yeah, I think it does. Yeah, browser not supported. Use Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Alright, cool. So it looks like it might connect to Firefox actually. I like how they have really made this look like it is a full-on operating system. Like they really tried to make it so the default applications looked like they were part of the operating system and not something that you would get third party. I like how they did that, and they really tried to integrate it into Manjaro. I also kind of like that it's a rolling release, because you don't have to like restart update every 6 months. I don't know how much of a chance there's of breaking your system from updating, because this is a virtual machine, and I'm pretty sure that gets broken much less because most distros do support it. I did try to get, I was actually trying to get Ubuntu 4.10 working on VirtualBox, but it just didn't work. It wouldn't completely work. The X server was crashing, so that was pretty annoying, but too bad, doesn't even work. Alright, so add and remove software. This software stuff was pretty confusing at first, because I'm very used to the Ubuntu way of updating and finding software, and also the changing how it gets the updates and stuff like that. It's probably just different on this because it's a rolling release. I don't know. I don't even know how to find out where drivers would be. if you can even install drivers in here without having to go to the browser and installing them. It does have HP Device Manager. That is a little odd. Maybe this comes on some HP devices. Oh, maybe it does. It's cool. Weather has a weather app. Nice. Alright, set location. Nah, I'd rather not do that right now. Overall, I think this is a really nice distro. It's definitely good for people who want a nice, modern-esque experience. For people who like want to feel like they're on the bleeding edge all the time because of the rolling releases. Although, in my opinion, it's not as stable. It's definitely more stable than some non-rolling releases out there. It's really nice. It's not as fast, I don't think, in VirtualBox as like 19.04 is, because 19.04 is speedy. I think it's speedier than this. But overall, my overarching opinion on Manjaro, I actually kind of like this menu here. Ubuntu does not have that. At least I don't think it does. I've been using Ubuntu for a couple years. I think I would notice if this was there. Yeah, my overarching opinion on Manjaro is really good. It's definitely good for some people. It's not necessarily the distribution I would use. I will say that it'll definitely be pretty easy for someone who's used to Windows to get used to, or for someone who is used to Mac to get used to, because it really just reminds me of both. The GNOME desktop reminds me of both Mac and Windows. I can't say why, it just does. I know for a fact this definitely reminds me of Mac. But yeah, with that said, that is all I wanted to talk about really in this video. So hope you liked the video, and I will see you all in the next video.